was an okay for Akash Pawar. Ankit Singh, how to get a job in IT as a fresher? So Ankit, if one way is to get a campus placement, and I know that you are asking because maybe you did not get placed in the campus, okay, which is fine. If you're not getting placed in the campus, then what you can do is, first you need an inventory of your skills. Okay, identify all the skills that you have, the programming languages you know, any kind of databases you know, okay, whatever projects you have done during your education, okay, whatever, if you are a bachelor in engineering, if you are a BSc, BC, whatever you have done, within that, whatever you have learned, okay, and whatever projects you have done, you make an inventory of those things, okay, and then based on that inventory, go to the job sites and find, just on LinkedIn or whatever job sites are there, find jobs for freshers, okay, based on your skills. Look at the match and read the job description. Read at least 10 to 15 job descriptions, okay, on the basis of the skills and on the basis of the job descriptions that you have read. Then you prepare a good resume for you, which will be applicable for most of the companies, okay, and then you start approaching these companies, okay. You can approach through all the job boards, but try to find a reference within these companies. Try to find references within these companies. You can also search for jobs which are not mentioned on LinkedIn or any of the job boards. You can directly look at companies which are working in the technology that you want to work on, and then look at their career page, and then look if there are jobs on that career page and directly apply into that, okay. 80% of jobs are not even available on LinkedIn or any of the job sites, okay. So it is good to go through references, talk to all your friends, okay, uh, talk to all your relatives who are in the software industry, talk to anybody who you know is in the software industry, and try to pass your resume through them to the HR of that company, okay, and you will get a breakthrough. Is that okay? But when you don't have a job and when you're trying to find a job, then make it your focus, your 100% focus, just to find the job. Okay? You should not spend any other time than finding a job. Okay? Then you will be able to get a job really soon. Okay?